Hello, I'm Griff. Nice to meet you.
We all know you, basically.
Yes, we do.
You're one of the most famous Ramis interns guys here.
One of many.
And here we've installed a pedal commander in his mother's...
Toyota Land Cruiser.
Will you tell her, like?
Maybe, we'll see.
So we are now with Griff, and he is going to test pedal commander.
Yeah.
This small device on his car. Can you please?
My mother's car.
He's 19, so he has a driving license. Okay, now I put you into the Eco -4.
Yeah, kind of, you have to push harder.
And now I will slowly give you into the city. Accelerate.
Yeah.
City.
Okay, change down a gear.
Sport. See, it's like,
Yeah,
I can
it's
feel it. And now I will put you in Sport Plus, +4. This is
the maximum.
maximum. Oh.
Jesus Christ!
It's
Wow!
it's a big difference, huh?
Massive difference. Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That is crazy.
Yeah. So everything is done.
Very good.
Very good.
I'm amazed. That is a huge difference.
Now if you press it for 2 seconds,
Yeah.
it goes into eco mode. Now it's getting lazy.
So now it will be better fuel economy.
Yeah. Now we are saving the planet.
Exactly.
Basically, this one is with a Bluetooth. So you have, in the back you have a code. You can
Yeah.
install the application on your phone.
So you can adjust it on your phone.
Yes, exactly.
That's good.
Now I'll put you in city.
Yeah.
See, it's
Yeah, immediately it's accelerating. It's really good.
city is for like everyday use, you know.
Yeah.
But it depends from the car to the car. Some cars, car owners, they say that in their car it's like same as a normal.
Yeah.
For them, they feel a little bit more faster.
Okay.
It depends on the car model and the car brand and all this
Yeah.
stuff.
And I guess if you've got more power, then it's more noticeable.
Yeah. Now it's Sport Plus. Crazy.